Why do we hate? Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to suffering. Yoda. Let's talk about hate. It's intense, awkward, and most of us wish we can avoid it, but it shows up everywhere. Hate can wreck your life if you don't understand how it works. The truth, hate isn't random, it's a system built for self-protection. If you understand its structure, you can interrupt it before it hijacks your mind, your relationships, or your future. Section 1, hate. What it really is. Hate isn't just being mad. Think of it as your brain's emergency security system. It activates when it senses real danger, but sometimes it triggers way too easily. Here's the formula. Attitude, prejudice, plus repeated pain, aversion, equals hate. The attitude part comes from stuff you pick up, family drama, past wounds, media bias, or what you see online. People like that always screw me over. The pain side is humiliation, betrayal, fear, or loss that keeps happening. When you combine these, it becomes an explosive mixture. Hate wants the source gone permanently. How is hate different from anger? Anger is about defending your boundaries. It flares up, fixes what's wrong, and usually burns out. Hate goes all in. It wants to erase the problem completely, cut people out, ruin reputations, even annihilate what's hurting you. Section 2, where hate comes from. No one is born hating. So how does it start? Repeated pain or threat. If someone or something hurts you over and over, it starts to feel like a threat that won't ever stop. Generalization. Your mind turns, this person hurt me, into everyone like them is dangerous. That's how prejudice, racism, and group hate begin. Inherited attitudes. Sometimes hate starts as a bias or fear you absorbed from family, teachers, or your community. On its own, it might not show up until repeated pain adds the spark. Polarization. Strong love or desire can flip into hate when you get hurt again and again. Passion doesn't disappear, it twists and warps into hatred. Protecting what you love. When someone attacks your values, friends, or projects, and this keeps happening, hate can target the attacker. Example, imagine being bullied at school again and again. At first, you're scared or angry, but as the pain repeats, hate sets in. It's about erasing the threat so you never feel that pain again. Real quick, if you're getting value from this, hit like and subscribe. It shows me you want more practical content for personal growth. My upcoming videos dive deeper into transforming your life with honest, hands-on strategies so you don't miss out. Now, back to the video. Section 3, the cost of living with hate. Hate might feel powerful, but it always comes with a cost. It drains your energy and happiness. It leads you to choices that hurt you or others. It corrodes relationships, damages communities, and even messes up your health. Bottom line, hate might start as protection, but if you don't break the cycle, it ends up hurting you most. Section 4, how to hijack and dissolve hate. You may not always stop hate from showing up, but you can keep it from taking over. Step 1, dissolve the trigger. Figure out what pain, fear, or loss keeps getting poked. Is it the same argument, disappointment, or betrayal? Remove yourself from that trigger, take a break, mute, block, or change your routine. Step 2, rehumanize the target. See the person or group not as monsters or symbols, but as flawed humans with their own messy stories. Don't lump everyone together, zoom in on real individual actions. Step 3, forgive for your own sake. Forgiveness isn't letting someone off the hook, it's you cutting yourself free from the emotional chain. You cut off hate's fuel line and free yourself to move forward. Bonus step, space and rationality. If it's too much right now, just stepping back can help you cool down. The less you feed hate, the weaker it gets. This leads me to a story, The Two Wolves Parable. Before we wrap up, here's a story that sums this up better than most lectures ever could. An old Cherokee chief is teaching his grandson about life. He says, "A battle is going on inside me between two wolves. One wolf is full of anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self-pity, guilt, resentment, and hate. The other wolf is full of joy, peace, love, hope, humility, kindness, empathy, and truth." The same fight is going on inside you and inside every person as well. The grandson thinks about it and curiously asks which wolf will win. The old chief simply replies with, "The one you feed." Conclusion: the choice to break the cycle. Hate is a system, not your destiny. You can name it, interrupt it, and walk away feeling lighter and stronger. Every time you dissolve a trigger, rehumanize someone, or practice forgiveness, you're breaking the cycle and building a future hate can't touch. So next time you feel hate rising, remember what it's really for and choose something better for yourself. Ready to go deeper? Thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you're ready to explore how hypnotherapy can help you directly, I invite you to schedule a hypnotherapy telesession or check out my hypnosis phone programs. They're currently 20% off. All the details and booking info are in the video description and in the channel bio. In the meantime, if you want to keep building on your personal growth journey, check out this next video. It's packed with practical insights to stop anger in its tracks so it doesn't spiral into hate, helping you truly move forward in life. This is Marco Ocello, and I'll see you in the next video.